Most people don't stay broke because they earn too little. They stay broke because their money disappears faster than their discipline can grow. A good salary can look powerful on paper, but in real life, it often becomes a trap disguised as success. The most people start earning more, they upgrade everything except their financial mindset. Bigger apartment, new car, expensive dinners, subscription after subscription. Suddenly, the paycheck that once felt life changing starts feeling just enough. That's the dangerous part about modern income culture. Society teaches people how to spend money long before it teaches them how to keep it. And because social media constantly sells the image of luxury, people begin performing wealth instead of building it. Someone making six figures can still be stressed every month because high income without control creates a cycle of pressure, not freedom. The salary grows, but so do the habits that quietly destroy financial stability. One of the biggest reasons people stay financially broken is emotional spending. Most purchases today are not based on necessity, they are based on feelings. Stress, boredom, loneliness, insecurity, and comparison drive billions of dollars in customers' behavior every year. After a hard week, people convince themselves they deserve expensive rewards. They buy things to feel successful instead of becoming successful. A person might finance a luxury car not because they need it, but because they want validation from strangers. Another person might spend hundreds of designer clothes while carrying credit cards, debt that keeps growing silently in the background. The modern economy profits from emotional weakness. Companies spend millions studying human psychology because they know most people buying with emotion first and logic later. And the more someone earns, the easier it becomes to justify reckless spending. A bigger salary often doesn't fix poor habits, it simply gives those habits more fuel. Another hidden reason people remain broke is the illusion of stability. A steady paycheck makes people feel safe, but safety without preparation is temporary. Many workers believe that as long as money keeps coming in the every month, everything is under control. But one emergency can expose how fragile their financial life really is. A medical bill, job loss, recession defaults, or unexpected repair can wipe out years of income if there are no savings of investments. The shocking reality is that many high earners live paycheck to paycheck because they quit lifestyles instead of financial systems. They depend entirely on active income while ignoring wealth building tools like investing, emergency funds, and long term planning. For example, a software engineer making $120,000 a year may still panic during layoffs because every dollar is tied to rent, car payments, and debt. Income alone does not create security. Preparation does. Social pressure also plays a massive role in keeping people financially trapped. Humans naturally compare themselves to others, and social media has turned comparison into a non stop competition. People no longer buy things only for personal enjoyment, they buy them to maintain an image. Vacations become photo opportunities, restaurants become status symbols. Even debt is hidden behind carefully edited lifestyles online. Someone scrolling through Instagram may feel behind in life simply because they see others showing luxury without showing the financial consequences behind it. This creates a cycle where people spend more money they haven't truly earned to impress people who are often struggling too. A young professional may feel pressure to buy a luxury apartment because everyone else seems successful. But many of those same people are drowning in loans, anxiety, and financial insecurity. The pressure to appear rich has become stronger than the desire to become financially free. And that mindset keep millions stuck. Another major issue is that most people were never taught financial intelligence. School teaches students how to pass exams, but rarely teach them how debts work, how investing grows wealth, or how compounding interest can completely change a person's future. As a result, people enter adulthood knowing how to earn money but not how to manage it. They confuse incomes with wealth. A doctor earning a huge salary may still retire broke if they spend everything they make for decades. Meanwhile, someone with an average income who constantly invests and controls spending may quietly build real wealth over time. The difference is knowledge and discipline. Financial freedom is usually less about a flashy income and more about long term behavior. Small decisions repeatedly daily shape financial outcomes. Saving constantly, avoiding unnecessary debt, and investing early may not look exciting online. But those habits often create the stability that high salaries alone fail to provide. At the end of the day, most people stay broken because they focus on looking wealthy instead of becoming financially powerful. A good salary is only a tool. If the mindset behind it stays weak, the money disappears. Real wealth is built through patience, control, and smart decisions repeated over years, not through temporary displays of success. The people who escape financially stress usually understand one thing: freedom matters more than appearance. They stop chasing validation and start building systems that protect their future. They learn to delay gratification, invest wisely, and separate needs from ego driven wants. The truth is harsh but important: earning more money will not automatically solve financial problems if the habits causing those problems remain unchanged. And that is why so many people with good salaries still feel trapped, anxious, and financially broken. The paychecks was never the real problem, the mindset was. If you like the video, please do consider subscribing channel, and I will back with another video. Till then, goodbye.